Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in Midnight Blue. Alright, so let's grab our scissors. Let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. You'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. And then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingertips and then just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy, just like that. These plates are interchangeable, so if you get tired of your color or you simply just want a new one, you can purchase them online. Take the old one off, just like I showed you, and then put the existing one on just like that. Okay. These modules are also interchangeable, so if you need an intermediate, because you need to control your light from 3 separate locations, you can do that. Just pop this one out, put the intermediate in, wire it on up, and you're good to go. Your same plate will fit on over top as well. Okay. At the side here are your screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through, fasten to your pattress box. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it has the BS or British standards, and that just means that it's gone through a bunch of testing to make sure that it's safe for use in the UK. You'll notice here at the back that it has 3 terminal hole screws. So this is a 2-gang, 2-way light switch, so you can control your lights from 2 separate locations with this guy. Okay, grab our plate, put that back on. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. On the one side, you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. If you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that'd be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. In the bottom right-hand corner, you have a Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. And finally, take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, flipping it on over at the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART-SS2 for the 2-way, and MD for Midnight Blue. On the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner is another QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here, so you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. Alright, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day, so please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below is what you'd like us to do next. Alright, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.